Happy birthday, Anita. 60th birthday. You know, the big 6-0 is there. ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಒಂಥರ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. So, but, it is just a number ಅಂತ ಒಂದು 60 ಸತಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡು. ನಿಂಗೆ ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಿನ್ ಪರವಾಗಿ, ನನ್ನ ಪರವಾಗಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾರ ಪರವಾಗೂನು. You've been such a wonderful role model to all the cousins growing up. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀನು ನಾನು we've had wonderful childhood memories. We've had lot of loving family to take care of us. We've grown up amidst lot of love. Neenu, you're such a hardworking, intelligent, smart and determined person, that we all really look up to. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡು, ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡು. 60 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕೆಲವರು ಹಿರಿಯರು. ಸೊ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫನ್. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫನ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆಫನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೆಲ್ದಿಯಾಗಿರು. ಓಕೆ, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ.
Welcome to the Elite Club, Anita. Happy birthday. So 60 is just a number, ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So it doesn't feel any different. But don't worry, someone else is following you closely. So I'm glad that we were able to I was able to get to know you better last year. Madhuvenalli, we had a wonderful time.
Yeah.
So I admire your enthusiasm, your energy, and all that you possess. So hope you'll continue to do that and continue to be a role model for all your Katresal sisters and brothers. So enjoy and have a wonderful, wonderful 60th birthday. Okay.
Happy birthday, Anita.
Happy birthday.
Remain fit and happy ಆಗಿರು. Okay, bye.
Bye.